Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you're new to the page, hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell. I'm here in New York at the Tribeca Film Festival. We will get to that later. I'm excited. We'll talk about that at the end. All right, let's get right into it. If you're new to the page, hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell. Let's talk about a few things that's going on. Yesterday's video, the day before, was about protecting your gains, right? Protecting your gains. And it was not a sell order, all right? I'm going to talk about mindsets because that's what this video is about, mindsets. There's a lot of people that's been investing, but they really don't know how to invest. They've just been buying and they don't have the right psychology, just like options. One of these days, I'm going to do an options psychology video. So we have two massive companies that are doing IPOs, initial public offerings, right? OpenAI will soon have an IPO, and the big talk right now is SpaceX, okay? Like a $1.7 trillion market cap, right? And I want you to stay to the end of this because that offer that I had over the last couple of days still may have a couple of hours left, right? We had over 1,000 people sign up for money moves. We'll get to that later. SpaceX IPO. There's going to be a lot of chasers. And I don't know what is going to happen, right? All I know is that private money, all right, the big companies, the whales, they have their shares, right? And the ones that could buy it privately, you and I couldn't, right? But they could. The day that it IPOs, you won't be able to buy your shares right at market open. Why? It's going to stop and freeze, and they're going to allow all of the whales and the institutions buy their shares first. Because welcome to America. That's the way it's done, good people. And then what will happen is, it'll shoot up and some people are going to buy at the absolute top and the next day it could cool off. Larry is not chasing that IPO on day one. You do what's best for you. I don't know what's going to happen. It could be higher the next day, but I just know that Larry won't be buying it the next day. Why? It could be higher the next day. It could be higher the next week, but I just know where we are in this market. And I knew the market was too frothy. And I don't care about a new IPO. I wouldn't, even if the market wasn't frothy, meaning expensive, I wouldn't be chasing that on day one. It is going to be the most expensive IPO ever behind the BB AI, all right? And so that's what I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna chase, okay? So listen, that's gonna take money out of the market, just like AI is taking money from crypto. A lot of people are chasing, they're trying to get rich. On the way over here, my Uber driver, he could have swore I was Steve Harvey. Oh, Steve Harvey, I'm not Steve Harvey. You know, he's from another country. I'm not Steve Harvey, man. I understand if you want to keep it a secret. It's between me and you, Mr. Harvey. And I'm like, I'm not Harvey. I'm not Steve Harvey. No jokes. I see y'all getting ready for the jokes, okay? All right, so let's keep it going. Quantum computing took a dip. It took a dip today. Why? Because IBM committed to more than $10 billion to quantum computing. And remember when Jensen Huang said that quantum computing was 10 years out? And then he was wrong. Remember that dip? It dived real hard. Guess what? It was a buying opportunity. So I bought a little quantum computing. Not a lot, because I know where we are in the market. I believe I know where we are in the market. And so I just didn't buy a lot, okay? So that's what I'm telling you guys. Let me know what you did today. But we bought some more quantum computing. Which one? All of my favorites. Rigetti, IONQ, bought a little more. Even the little ones that you guys are putting more money into the big ones, INFQ. If you're putting more money into INFQ trying to get rich, than the company that's more fiscal responsible, well, fiscal stronger, which is IONQ, like I've been telling you guys, and QBTS and Rigetti. Remember, if you're trying to get rich, you're going to get wrecked, okay? So the market is frothy right now, guys. It's expensive. When you hear the word frothy, it means expensive. The market is expensive, and it's too expensive. And I'm telling you guys that you hear the term buy greed and sell fear, but a lot of people don't react to it. They do the opposite. And someone makes the company, I think you're wrong, Larry. Sometimes I want to show you all these comments so bad. I think you're wrong, Larry. You know, scared money don't make money. Whenever I hear that scared money don't make money, I know that I'm dealing with somebody that does not know how the stock market works. They just feel like if it's green, you just keep piling on and piling on and piling on. No, this market has cycles, and you better know the cycles. And if you don't, you just keep piling on. You go right ahead. All I know is this market is frothy. I don't care how high it keeps going. It could be green tomorrow. I just know that I took parachutes on some of them already. Palantir, I'm done. Took my money and I'm out, okay? So what I'm gonna say to you is buying fear, you have to understand when people get greedy. Right now, this market is greedy. This market is frothy. This market is expensive, and it's greed that is pumping it up, right? So when it's greedy, Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy. And that's why I started taking some profits and setting some stop losses, okay? But this is not a bearish video at all. I'm gonna be looking, I'm freeing up cash. So when the market goes down, just like before the war, the big scare was the AI spin. Too much, too much. The very people that was pumping AI, then they said the CapEx, capital expenditures, was too much. And remember I said it's laughable to me the way that they playing? And now it's AI, it's to the moon, it's gonna 10X. And soon as the market has a red day, they're gonna start with the, oh, we spent too much on AI. Watch the news medias, guys. This is the game that causes you to have an emotional roller coaster wreck. So I still buy fear and sell greed, okay? So I caution you to find fear at the top. And that's one of the things that Larry do. I don't wait until we start coming down. Now, today is nothing, guys. This is not a sell-off. This is just one cool day. Right? That's all. This is not a sell-off. But I come to you when the market is heavy and you in profit. Then I say, hey, have you thought about taking some profit? It's not good for the market to fall. And then I tell you, right? But on the other hand, when the market was down, when at the bottom of Liberation Day, right? What did I say? I'm buying. And so I encourage you to be brave when the market is down, right? And so that's what I want you to do. Control your emotions, either way it goes. Don't be fearful when the market is red, but don't be greedy when the market is green. That's what I want to tell you. I don't know what tomorrow's going to look like. All I know is we're going to continue to make money here at Stock Up with Larry Jones. Now, listen. I'm going to leave that up for probably another day, and then we will be done. We had over 1,000 people join Money Moves. I'm going to show you guys a few stock, a few plays that people are making. All right. I will be live trading again Friday and then again Monday. You will be able to see that with the free link. Like I said, it's been a lot of people coming over, right? So we're going to leave it right there, good people. I'm going to leave that link up a few more hours. I'm going to the Tribeca Film Festival. I got to get out of here. I'm late. And Earth, Wind & Fire are debuting their documentary. And then I just found out they're going to perform afterwards. And then we're going to meet in Hobnob afterwards, okay? So that's where I'm here, why I'm here in New York, okay? I will see you guys back at Studio B which I am working on making Studio B look a lot better. Plus, I'm working on some more tools for money moves because my money movers can get fed all of the time. They don't have to wait for this video. Come and join us. It's free. Check it out. It's free for some days. Check it out and come join us. Live, love, laugh, and learn.